Hello there, welcome back. So I just want to explain some things about this 2003 PT Cruiser right here. So what happened, when I turn on the AC won't cool, and while I'm getting is hot air, and most time the blow off valve and the compressor keep letting out the freon. So I do so many checks. I check the relay, the low speed relay, and everything is working. When I check, I notice the fan not working, but if I take something and tap the back of the fan, it spin a little and stop. So I just decided to show you guys inside the motor what caused the problem. So right here is the brush. These are the brush basket right here. So if you look on this brush right here, guys, you can see that this one worn all the way out. Nothing left there. Even the clip that hold it come loose. So guys, if you happen to have the same problem with your PT Cruiser, you can go ahead and check this fan to see if it's working. All I do, I use a 10mm socket to remove these bolts that hold on the fan. Right here is a clip that hold on the blade. I use a flat pine screwdriver and a hammer to knock it off. And this is what I use, this angle, the 10mm socket on it, to remove the fan. So as you can see here, there's a lot of dirt in there, carbon from the brush, dusty. This is right there, guys. So hopefully when I replace this fan, it should work great. I even change the compressor on it, guys. I do the compressor. I change this unit also down here. What you call it? Hold on, let I remember, guys. Okay, guys. So this is accumulator right here. So I replaced that also. I changed the sensor, this switch right here, pressure switch. And I vacuum the lines. And I want to show you something underneath the car also, on this compressor. Okay, so after removing the compressor, guys, I noticed when I check I cannot get a compressor with the sensor in it, so I have to remove the bung on the back of this one and put a sensor in there, so that wire can plug back to it, guys. And I also have to remove some 10 bolts from the fan that hold on the fan, guys. And this is the wire that plugged the fan. To remove this radiator was to remove the radiator fan from the bottom of the vehicle. So you cannot get it from top, so you have to take it from the bottom of the vehicle, guys. So hopefully this video will help you guys to help you whenever time you have a situation like this, guys, where AC won't cool, getting hot air and it's blowing off. The AC compressor valve keep letting out the freon. See gauge right here. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.